If your feed is serving you ads for Noreva Thermal Gloves like "Stay warm, stay connected, never suffer numb thumbs again," and for a split second you pictured yourself as a sleek winter ninja, pause. Before you trust a pair of mystery brand gloves promising sub-zero superpowers, let's break this down before your fingers do the freezing. Quick note: this review is based on public tests, user feedback, and research. I didn't personally buy this exact pair, and this video isn't sponsored. Noreva Thermal Gloves promise winter warrior greatness. Windproof fabric, thick insulation, touchscreen fingertips, anti-slip grip, and zipper cuffs to keep the cold out. One size fits most, sleek black design, and ads basically yelling, "Fight winter like a boss." Sounds like the holy grail for commuters, hikers, or anyone tired of walking around with frozen claw hands, right? Here's the reality check. Real winter gloves usually use actual insulation like Thinsulate or Primaloft, a windproof or waterproof membrane, and verifiable cold weather testing. Noreva's site drops 0 insulation ratings, 0 test results, and 0 details that serious winter gear brands always provide. Noreva's design matches the same generic dropship gloves you'll find across AliExpress, Temu, and Amazon under different names. Unboxings and user reviews for these lookalikes all say the same things: thin polyester shells, barely there insulation, wind cutting through after a few minutes in real cold, and touchscreen tips that work when they feel like it. One size fits most usually means fits whoever it fits. Their website reviews? Mostly repetitive text, no customer photos, and suspiciously glowing. Shipping delays and refund problems are also common with products in this category. The Trustpilot situation? There isn't one. No established brand presence, no verified customer feedback, and no independent testing. For winter gear, that's a red flag marching band. So do they work? For mild weather, quick errands, short walks, or anything above the freezing point, they're fine. Better than bare hands. For actual winter? Nope. They tap out faster than a phone battery in January. If you want reliable warmth, grab affordable Amazon basics for light cold, or go for real outdoor brands if you're dealing with real winter. Noreva is that friend who hypes up the ski trip but forgets gloves, socks, goggles, and also the ability to ski. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brutally honest winter gear takedowns that keep your hands warm and your wallet unscammed.